I really do not like my freaking boss!
Well, Squidward, unfortunately, Mr. Krabs is guarding the front door, so, we're stuck. There is a back door, though.
Oh my god, SpongeBob, you're right! There is a back door! You know what, SpongeBob? You're not so bad after all. I can't wait to escape!
Squidward, are you kidding me? Mr. Krabs is gonna know when you leave, Squidward, so I wouldn't do that.
Oh, please, SpongeBob. Mr. Krabs is at the front door. How would he know I'm leaving from the back? You're silly, SpongeBob. See you later.
Oh dear, Neptune, this is gonna end bad for Squidward.
Poor Mr. Krabs. He will never know I escaped from the back.
Man, I really hope Squidward didn't get caught, dude.
December 12th, 2024.
What are you talking about, Squidward?
I'm talking about the date, SpongeBob, December 12th, 2024.
Why are you telling me the date, Squidward?
Because it's an important date, SpongeBob.
And why is it an important date, Squidward?
Squiddy, we can talk about December 12th, 2024. What, please? December 12th, 2024. 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 December 12th, 2024.
I heard that Mr. Krabs is getting his secret formula today. I'm going to steal it.
Can I have Big Mac? No, I have Burger King. The best of McDonald's. What is this? Get out! Get out!
Nice try. This pass expired. You're gonna have to come with me. Using an expired movie ticket is one of the worst crimes anyone can commit in Ohio. But it's okay. We're just gonna vibe. And by vibe, I mean vibrate. I'm gonna vibrate you to death. Hey! Were you just trying to turn on the lights? No! You can't do that! It's illegal and dangerous to turn on the lights in Ohio. Let's do something legal and safe, like dance. We tried to warn you, but you new Ohio residents just don't listen. That's okay. Now you'll be here forever. Come on. We gotta go. Ohio's broken. We gotta kill the sun. Let's go. All right, we're gonna go kill the sun. Let's go. Yeah, we killed the sun. Yeah, Ohio is in eternal darkness again. Yeah. Everybody was allowed to breathe. Shoot, I was breathing for some of my proudest moments. I was breathing for my first grade graduation. I was breathing when I had my first kiss. Shoot, I was breathing when I got married. I even breathed in my sleep. Yo, man, I don't know what you're talking
Remember what I told you?
Yeah,
What?
I know. But teacher, can I go to the restroom right quick?
Sure. Oh yeah, come get your hall pass.
What is you looking at, my nigga?
What you looking at, sir?
I'm looking at you because you interrupting my project, sir.
Bacon hair. Just go to the bathroom.
Okay, sir, I got something for you.
Okay, class. Calm down. Okay, Cameron, let's get your project out the way.
Okay.
He got me fucked up. Now let me confirm that this is him before I whip his ass. Come to the hallways now.
Hello, class. Let's talk about a bowl of cereal.
Class, whose phone was
The
that?
phone just interrupted my project.
Okay, class, stop laughing before everybody gets silent. Lunch.
Teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Sure, but hurry up.
All right, bet.
Oh, teacher, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay, wait till they get back.
Yo, it's good bacon hair.
Look, bro, I'm not trying to have a bad day today.
What you mean?
Look, is that the same goofball that was talking
Yeah, why?
That's exactly what I
Wait, bacon
thought.
hair, what you doing?
The bowl is called a cereal bowl because cereal is in the bowl.
What the? Hold on, class. Don't freak out. Hey,
Private Listerine. You hear that noise?
Yeah, I heard a little bit of noise coming from that way.
Should we check it out?
Yeah, that's what we're supposed to do.
All right, then let's...
Lean back.
What a beautiful day at the Bikini Bottom. Oh man, I cannot wait to go to work with you, Squidward. There's gonna be a lot of fun. Bye!
SpongeBob, I don't care if it's a beautiful day. I don't want you to talk to me right now, SpongeBob. I'm just trying to get to work. So,
Oh, cheer up, Squidward. We're gonna have a good day at the Krusty Krab. Hey, Mr. Krabs, I cannot wait to get to work. I love this place, Mr.
Hello there, SpongeBob, and that's the spirit. Today, Squidward and SpongeBob, the Krusty Krab, will be open for 24 hours. I am so excited.
Oh my god, Mr. Krabs, I cannot believe it. You hear that, Squidward? I'm gonna stay with you for 24 hours.
Hold on, Mr. Krabs! There is no way I'm gonna work with SpongeBob for 24 hours! You are out of your mind, Eugene! Ain't no way that's happening! Well, guess what, Mr. Squidward? That's just too bad! You're gonna work with SpongeBob for 24 hours, whether you like it or not, Mr. Squidward! Mr. Krabs, are you out of your mind? I am not staying here for 24 hours! Yes, you are, Squidward! No, I'm not! Crabs. Hello, everybody. My name is Squidward Tentacles, and today, SpongeBob, I'm so glad we both Squidward's clarinet. What the hell? All right, which one of you two decided to break my freaking clarinet? Me and SpongeBob did, Squidward! Your clarinet skills are so horrible! You were scaring me customers, Squidward! So me and SpongeBob had to bust it and freaking destroy it so it won't happen again, Mr. Squidward! So don't do that ever again!
Yeah, Squidward, they were so bad, we had to destroy it, Squidward, so I'm not sorry about that.
I'm handicapped.
Get in there, you Here, let me get you sent to it. Whoa, you got a big old son.
All right, little man, I'm gonna.
To do this.
See you, chump. What the hell?
I cannot hold it in.
Mr. Krabs, I'm gonna ask you to give me a secret formula or something's gonna bad happen to you, Mr. Krabs. Oh, you're talking about this formula, Plankton. Well, that's too bad, Plankton. You are not getting me secret formula. Now get the hell out of me, Krusty Krab. No, Krabs. I'm gonna get that secret formula whether you like it or not. Oh, well, Plankton, looks like you have a bad. Well, too bad, Plankton. That's not gonna hurt me. You wanna bet, Eugene? Go right ahead, Plankton. I cannot wait to see what you can do. Hello there, Plankton. Mr. Krabs, what do you want? I seen you have no customer this week.
Hey, you! Yeah, you. Come here. You are committing an illegal act. The next time you want to steal someone's bike, wear a helmet.
Thanks, Spider-Man.
The city is safe again. I am PP Parker.
Hey!
Were you just trying to do your homework in Ohio? Wow, what a smart and responsible thing to do. Okay, carry on.
An influencer by the name John Pork has been found dead in the banks of the Colorado River. First responders arrived at the scene.
Well, at least we're okay.
Breaking news! The Earth has just exploded!
Hey!
Go, 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 go.
Oh, so much heat!
About to waste all that sweet gasoline on your car? Problems? So anyways, all I wanted to ask was, is this yours?
It's the best.
quer pegar meu território.
Agora não, Indonésia.
Que injustiça, mano. Nenhuma ajuda.
Indonésia, é a última vez, agora não.
Foda-se então. Vai lá.
KKKKKKKKKKKKK. Otário, ninguém vem te ajudar.
Malásia.
Sabe por que ninguém quer te ajudar? Porque você é um lixo.
Malásia. Para.
Você é retardado mental, e eu sou o que seus amigos comparam. Você é a vergonha da Oceania.
Quer saber? Já chega. Eu não vou tolerar esse xingamento. Você pediu por isso. Malásia.
Ah, meu Deus, esqueci que a Austrália saiu. Indonésia, por favor, não me mete.
Agora você vai pagar com a boca. Últimas palavras do Malásia.
Vai, toma no seu...
Indonésia, ó que você fez.
Justiça. Eu já avisei há muito tempo, para não mexerem comigo.
Cara, você matou a Malásia.
Matei mesmo, mas é dar. Quem começou foram vocês. Eu vou ser o vilão da história. Por mim, tudo bem. Eu tô meus motivos. E não ligo pra mais nada.
Não me mata, por favor.
Eu me sinto tão.
Mano, para com isso.
Sabia que a cajaja caca.
Fudeu. Nada não, Argentina,
Com quem
relaxa.
será? Com quem será?
Cala a boca, Peru.
Com que será
Quer me
que o
foder?
Brasil vai casar?
Para, Peru, porra.
Argentina e
Vai
Brasil
depender.
fazendo.
Oxi,
Vai depender.
está doido, Chile.
Se o Brasil e
KKK,
a
já lá
Argentina
ele,
vai
manequei.
fazer...
Roadblocks. Shirts and shirts. And shirts.
Roblox.
And shirts.
Roblox. Shirts. Roblox. Roblox brings you. And shirts.
And shirts. Pants. Shirts. And shirts.
And pants. And shirts.
for you.
Excuse me, sir.
What do you want?
We are going to the football match.
You serious?
Yes.
Okay, class, we are doing an obstacle course challenge.
Huh?
I'm okay. Wait, where is Pakistan?
Looks like he ran away out of fear.
Let's go.
We scared them too much.
Mexico, you are the best actor.
Bygone.
Hey, wake up, China.
Why you bullying me?
What happened, India?
Hurry up, we have to get out of here.
Okay.
I believe you.
Look, India. This ghost looks like Mexico.
Yeah, you are right, China.
I said I believe you.
Oh, really? Let we eat you.
Pakistan.
I scared them so much they ran away.
I will never go to school at night.
6 runs.
Not 4 runs.
Did you also see a ghost in school?
Yes, we saw it in India and China. We're also shocked by it.
Look, India and China are coming.
Why are you laughing?
Because what you thought was a ghost was Mexico.
Mexico?
Yes.
Today I will not leave you, Mexico.
Yes, I'll also not leave you, Mexico.
Mexico is gone today.
Mexico, where are you?
Oh no.
I have bought for you.
What?
An iPhone.
Wow, give me fast.
I gotta use the bathroom. Arr! I wish Mr. Krabs would shut his fat ass up, Squidward. Look who it is. Oh my God, Twinkle Stitches! Squidward, you better give me back my formula! Not until you give me my paycheck, Mr. Krabs. Calm down, Mr. Krabs. Shut up, SpongeBob! I need my secret formula! Oh, is this Mr. Krabs' wallet? Squidward, don't you dare! Oh, look at that! Mr. Krabs' $1 bill. Hey, Mr. Krabs, I'll just give you back your wallet. Someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed.
Happy St. Patrick's Day out for
You asked me for pizza, but I didn't see sweet soup rispetto.
La vi con otra paloma. Me voy a matar. Me voy a matar. Te veo, uy, uy, uy. Me voy a matar. Uy, uy.
Hey bro, what's happened? Looks like you're very sad by something.
Uy.
Oh, nobody remember about us, it is true.
Uy, uy.
I promise to pray for you.
Hallelujah, come and spread love.